Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. So this is crazy because they see exactly what's going on. Too much pressure being added to the market right now. Too much volatility. Too much implied volatility, which meaning that the market is already, anticipating on a huge move happening, either that to the upside or downside. So the market makers, they know exactly what's going on. So with that being said, guys, they're going to do everything in their power to get as many people out of their positions before they send the market offline, because nothing is adding up. Nothing is making sense. Now, we had one of the days last week that, had people hit with an epiphany, which was CPI inflation data report being reported way hotter than expected. And then, we still got more interest rate hikes. We could be expected to raise interest rates by another 150 basis points collectively by the end of the year. So we know what's still going on. And we know last week we had a crazy market reaction even after CPI inflation data came in hotter than expected. And on this week, now we know that we was already building up, steam, building up momentum, already had anticipation of the market being bullish this month. Everything was already lining up, right? And then we started this month off great. The second and third day of this month was the best two performing days since July. And then we also, created new lows for the S&P 500 and the Dow in this month as well. So it's been, that volatile. We done seen our highest point and our lowest points. And then following on yesterday, we know Netflix came out with crazy, crazy earnings. They was expected to add 1 million subscribers uh in third quarter, but they added 2.4 million. Guys, that's a crazy, crazy spike. That's roughly 150% increase from what they originally expected. And by December, the end of the year, they expecting to add another 4+ million subscribers. So this is, the price target for Netflix right now is $330. After it broke that resistance around 270ish, this thing could fly straight up to around 330. That's a $50 per share price increase in value. So you definitely want to be taking a look at Netflix if you ain't already doing so. I would never advise to buy during the run up though. I don't care how much it continue to run up. I always wait for that crash, that drastic crash, and it's going to happen, guys. So anyways, as we know, the market is giving off very weird signals today after strong earnings from Netflix like that, strong earnings from the banks on yesterday. Crazy implied volatility. We already seeing exactly what's about to come. Crazy start the week off. Monday was a solid day for the market. Tuesday was a solid day for the market. And now here we come on Wednesday, and we got them pulling the market back after a crazy day on yesterday, showing us signs that the market is ready to run. Then with Netflix jumping up 13-16% at its peak in the after hours, and then holding up those gains when the market opened and started to push even a little higher, then we know something is wrong, guys. Something isn't adding up. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. NASDAQ falls slightly after 2-day rally despite strong earnings from Netflix, United Airlines. So the NASDAQ dipped on Wednesday as Wall Street struggled to extend its rally despite another strong batch of corporate earnings. Despite another strong batch of corporate earnings, we still, pulling back on the day, which is very unethical, guys. That's why I believe, this is just a fake out to get as many people out as possible, and they done it very quickly. Like, we gave those gains back swiftly, and I'm pretty sure they could come back just as fast. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see what's going on further down the rat hole. So we also know we got a big dog that's going to be reporting earnings at the end of the day. Which is going to be Tesla. So Tesla is also going to, put that volatility on the market. If Tesla report strong earnings, best believe, that's going to give us even more catalyst, even more momentum for this bullish market in October. But like I say, guys, don't be worried. Don't be worried about the short-term price action, what the market is doing right now, because without a doubt, I believe the market is going to, push up a bit more harder. Maybe the overall market push up another 15-20% before it actually reverses and come back down and create a newer low. And I do believe the market is going to go down once or twice more and create a new low before actually reversing and we go into a bullish market, guys. Because I always remember the market is more bullish overall than bearish. If you zoom all the way out, the SPY over a 20-year period is steady making higher highs and higher lows. And that's exactly, the trend is your friend. That's exactly what we want to see, consistency. But like I say, guys, you definitely want to, be getting quality companies while they're still dirt cheap. But it can definitely get cheaper. But you never want to wait to the max to sell. Oh, it could go higher, let me sell. Or you never want to wait to the lowest point to buy. Oh, it could go lower, let me buy. Always, buy and sell with intellect. You never got to sell at the top. You never got to buy at the exact bottom. As long as you buying in that trend or selling during that trend, you doing good. Meaning you buying whenever it's declining in the red, pull back a good bit, and you selling into strength whenever it's shooting up a good bit. It never have to be the exact top or bottom. Get that out of your head. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Watch out for spam. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.